DIY face mask recipes for healthy, glowy skin. For many people, self-care comes in the form of skincare, so oftentimes we will take time out of our day to visit the spa. However, frequently visiting the spa to maintain healthy, youthful skin can be costly. Wouldn't it be nice to reap the same benefits all within the comfort of our own home? In fact, you can make your own face mask using all natural ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. In this video, we will teach you how to make 7 natural face masks to help you maintain youthful-looking skin while avoiding harsh ingredients. Number 1. Banana and apricot. This mask is full of essential vitamins. Banana has vitamin C and B6, which gives the skin a healthy glow. The second ingredient, apricot, contains vitamins A, B, and C, which help maintain skin elasticity. To make this mask, you'll need 1 apricot, half a banana, and 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. In a blender, combine the ingredients until it turns into a creamy consistency. Apply the mask to your face and wait for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. Number 2. Strawberry and egg white. Strawberries are sweet, tart, and juicy, which makes them a favorite summer fruit. And not only does it have a ton of health benefits, but it's also great for the skin too. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, which is an antioxidant that encourages collagen production. Collagen plays an important role in maintaining youthful skin as it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Egg white, the second ingredient in this mask, is also good for skin firming and rejuvenation. All you need is 3 to 4 strawberries and 1 egg. First, separate the egg white from the yolk. After that, mash the strawberries and combine the 2 ingredients. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. As it lingers, you'll start to feel the tightness of the mask. Finally, rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. Number 3. Coffee and milk. The first ingredient for this mask is coffee. Coffee has high levels of antioxidants and beneficial nutrients. In addition, it can tighten your skin. The second ingredient is milk. Milk can moisturize and exfoliate the skin, which helps slow down the aging process. To make this mask, whisk together 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds and 1 tablespoon of raw milk in a mixing bowl until thick paste forms. Apply the mask to your face and be careful to avoid the eyes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Before we continue, if you're liking this video so far, please give us a like and tell us in the comments section below if you've ever made your own face mask. We'd like to know. Number 4. Avocado and olive oil. Avocados are considered one of the world's healthiest superfoods. Not only are they beneficial for our health, but they're great for our skin too. Avocados are rich in vitamin E. They also contain oleic acid, a fatty acid that's one of the healthiest sources of dietary fat. Oleic acid and vitamin E are natural skin moisturizers that will restore your skin's structure and protect it from environmental toxins. The other ingredient, olive oil, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. To make the mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of avocado pulp and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Combine all the ingredients together until it forms a puree-like consistency. Apply the mask generously to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can rinse the mask off. Number 5. Rice milk. Rice is high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is excellent for your skin because it moisturizes, strengthens, and lightens dark spots. To make this mask, you'll need 1/4 cup of brown rice flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened organic rice milk. Water can also be substituted for rice milk if preferred. Combine all the ingredients together until they form a smooth paste. Massage the mixture into your skin in circular motions and then rinse it off. Number 6. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is known to have health protective properties. It is packed with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Furthermore, they also contain fatty acids that help your body produce more oil, which will help keep your skin hydrated. It also protects your skin from irritants like dust and pollution. This mask also contains honey that moisturizes and Greek yogurt that exfoliates the skin. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and let it dry for 10 minutes. Then rinse your face with warm water. Number 7. Cocoa coconut. Cocoa powder removes free radicals that contribute to skin aging, while coconut helps moisturize the skin. The anti-aging properties of cocoa and coconut go hand in hand, and when combined with yogurt, you'll have a soothing and exfoliating mask that removes dead skin cells, giving your skin a wonderful glow. To make this mask, grab 1 teaspoon virgin coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon plain Greek yogurt. Before mixing the ingredients, make sure that they're room temperature to prevent the oil from hardening. Apply a thin layer to your face and rinse with warm water after 10 to 20 minutes. Overall, these 7 all-natural face mask recipes are simple to make, especially using ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. It's important that we nourish and replenish our skin with natural ingredients. Here's a tip: don't put things on your skin that you can't eat. Aside from your skin, it is just as important to take care of our overall health naturally. Using natural remedies and herbal medicines to maintain one's health has been beneficial for many people. If you want to be like them and restore your health naturally, check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It contains recipes for tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and a variety of other natural remedies that have been passed down through the generations. If you want to learn more about the Lost Book of Remedies, go to the link in the description box. I hope you learned a lot of things. Check out our channel for more health and wellness videos. Subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching.